Susan will never say it, but 2 of the instances where she was beaten were because I let the cat out of the bag that we were friends.
Suffice it to say, they let the cat out of the bag, and way too early. They weren't anywhere near done ironing out the kinks, and the Japanese knew that.
You heard me say it before, I let the cat out of the bag. You've got to sell something every day. Even if you're selling private jets, sell someone on coming to sit in a private jet with you for a half hour.
I was among those who was reluctant because, in a sense, I didn't want to let the cat out of the bag. I didn't want to let, if you will, the opposition know that there was this thing called birthright citizenship in the Constitution.
But when Ruth Bader Ginsburg said what she said in July of 2009, she let the cat out of the bag. She made it clear that abortion was legalized in order to eliminate people that she and other elitists just like her don't want there to be too many of. And I think we all know who they're talking about.